Hello everyone. So yesterday there was a bit of internet problem, so I could not do the daily video update. Uh, so let's see how the market behaved yesterday. So yesterday it gave a good rally, right? So if you can see the Nifty thing, yes. So yesterday it went up around 2.63%, so around 417 points, and stopped at 16,259, almost 260 points, right? So people were expecting that it will give rally, and again after 2 p.m. the huge selling starts, right? So around, if you see for the last Friday, if you remember, huge selling came after 2 p.m. and it crashed. So, but yesterday also people are expecting, but it ended up higher, so that's good. That's a good sign. So you can see the other indices; they're also all in green. The Nasdaq is 2.76% up. S&P 500 is 2.02. Dow Jones is 1.34. So almost all the indices are up. So yes. So if you see the trend, if you see the trading view. So I think if you see the trading view, if you let us launch the Nifty chart. Yes. So you can see all my lines, the support resistance lines, and the percentage of profit I told you, right? So let us remove 1-2 things, otherwise it will be very difficult. 1 minute. Let us delete this one. Yes. So for example, okay, let us delete this also. You can see later. So let us load a new trend. So yesterday, so whether the bottom has reached, so we can't tell like that. It may fall again from today to below. So it is, we are not sure, but the things are indicating that it will not fall. So let us see the SGX Nifty once. Okay, so SGX Nifty change is only 0.01%. So it's a very flat kind of thing. So it has there is not much gap or gap up or gap down from the usual thing. So if you can see from here, so yesterday it went up around 2.63%, right? So okay, so let's not do this one. Let's do the date price range, right? So yes, so from here again I can draw a line, so it can come up to here, that is almost 3.38%, 3.4%, or up to here, that is 4.5%, or it can go up to here also, it's 9%. Still there is a 9% move. So even if it moves only up here from starting from here, so still there is a 9.64, so almost 10% gain from here. So it may also fall down, it can also fall down, and that is also there. So as I told that I will invest into the index, right? So if we, yes, let's go to the dashboard. So I told you, so I invested 20,000 and again invested 20,000. If you go to the holdings, so due to the yesterday's run up, so I am now in profit around 500 rupees. So if you see the transactions, yes. So on 9th May I bought, it's the NAV was 10 point something, and it then I averaged it down again 20,000 I bought. So for that you see, so this is minus 35 and it is 5.25. So overall I am in profit in this 40,000. So this thing is I am only using for the swing trade, that I already told you. So here, so if I see that the market is moving up from here, So I will again buy, so that I put make up of this rally. This 10% gain can I make, and then sell off during this region. And if I see that it bounces, hits this line 16,800 line or 17,000 line and coming back, then I will also sell from here and exit. So that will be the swing trade strategy. Yes, क्या बोल रहा हूँ. And then so also if it goes up and then comes down again hits the line, then also I will accumulate here. So anyway, so it for now it's looking like it will be within this channel, so there will be opportunity for swing trade, so that is fine. So yesterday I think Dr. Lal PathLab results came, so it was not good. Q4 results, right? So if you see the Dr. Lal PathLabs, so it profit dips around 27% to rupees 62 crores. So that was a not much good result came, because I think the COVID testing and those things has come down also. So it's a consolidated net profit of 350 crore in March 31, 2022. It showed this thing, so that thing came. I have some stocks of Dr. Lal PathLabs, but it is around negative. It is not in profit, so I don't know. I'm not sure how to now whether it's around 20 stocks I have of Dr. Lal PathLabs. So I was thinking whether to average it down or not. So after seeing the quarterly results, I will wait for some more time. So if we go to the chart of Dr. Lal PathLabs, let us see once more. So Lal PathLabs, right? As if you launch the chart, so from the highest point it's 4,200, right? So 4,200, it's around, see, 48% fall, 48 to 50% fall from the highest point. So it's a huge fall. So I think I bought around 3,000 something level. So from there also it's a fall. So at least if I see some, so if you see, okay, let us remove this thing. So if you see within suppose from here to this point, there is only one green candle, right? Not means one only, there is consecutive red candles, but green candle is at most one. There is no 2 or 3 consecutive green candle. So if only green candle starts forming, then I will buy and do some swing trade. So that I am planning to recover my losses for my this Dr. Lal PathLabs. So I will think about it. So till now it's not sure, but I will do. But I am not buying anymore, so that is fine. No, that is. So yesterday also LIC IPO, that thing got listed, right? So let us see once. IPO listing price maybe. So it issued from the issue price, it ended in 8% below the issue price. So it was listed. So first trading days ended at 872. I think it was 900 something. It was. So first date fall around. Yes, the policyholder got it as 989, and retail investor got at 904 per share, right? But it ended at 872, so both of them has taken some loss. So policyholders loss will be somewhat less, but yes. But LIC is not a short term thing. So if you have taken LIC IPO and received that, so that is fine. You can keep it for a long time. It's a long term bet. It is not a short term bet. So yes. So that is not much to think about. So that is fine. And just for today's market, let us see how is the oil price moving. So oil price is still above 110, so it's $113. So yes, so it's still costly. So let us see how it moves. And rupee, rupee versus dollar. So if you see, okay, it came down from the high 78 78 rupees equal to $1, so it came down from up to 77.4. So yes, so it has come down, but still it is on a higher side. So I think so RBI I think will come and intervene to do something. Also in today's May, right? May 18. So in June there is a meeting for RBI in monetary policy control. So maybe we can expect some rate hike to curb the inflation. Is anything other news is there? Let us see. For the Reuters market. Yes, so this company I don't know whether you know or not. So Saudi Aramco, right? So that is that was below. It is spelling. Okay, so let us see from here only. So yes, so this is a mainly oil company. So the public petroleum and natural gas company based in Saudi company. So it came now it is in the top because Apple has lost his fellow. So Apple stock, if you see, so it has past 6 months. So it has fallen. Well, Apple stocks has fallen. So the net revenue what is had in the stock, that is became less than this company, Saudi Aramco. So it is now above Apple. So Apple was the top valued company like that. So because it had fallen, some share price has fallen. So these things came up, this company. So that was something different. That is different thing. So just I wanted to point out one thing. So yes. The wholesale price inflation index came. What is the? Oh my god! So the WPI inflation is 17-year high. So wholesale price inflation accelerated in the Ukraine war. That is, what is the percent? It's climbed up to 15.08% in April and remained double digit for the 13 consecutive months, 13 months in a row. So higher than this was than a forecast. Yes. We expect a 40% basis hike in repo rate in June, followed by 35% basis point hikes in August. They are expecting these hikes in interest rates. So yes, so of course it will slow down some of the small businesses will be getting to hit, because the higher the brand companies, suppose just if you take for the FMGC sector, so AGL is a big brand, right? So their margin will shrink, but they have the pricing power. They can if they are if suppose they are buying something in a wholesale market for production of suppose soap or shampoo. So if this is increasing, the small players will get crushed, and they will keep their price same for the time being, take away the market share from the small businesses, and then increase. They have the pricing power. So big companies which have brands, that will survive. The small businesses will take the hit. So that is the thing. Okay, so more or less this is the thing I think today. And so one more thing is Airtel's quarterly profits are just to 164% year on year to 2008 crores. So that is fine. So this is more important. So that is the average revenue per user has increased from rupees 178 to increase to rupees 178 from 145. So that is fine. The Reliance Jio has average revenue per per user is 167.6 for the March quarter. That is fine. So average revenue per user is fine, that how much recharge average an individual is doing. So it went up around 2% yesterday. Yes, so maybe more or less this much. So let's see how the market behaves today. So it is okay, so it's still changing. It is open, is Nifty, so more or less flat kind of opening I am expecting, but not sure. Yes, okay, so thank you for watching. So if you have any suggestion, you can always comment in the box below and tell me. So